Welcome to Real Life English. Today, Emma is not feeling well, so Leo goes with her to a pharmacy. You will hear simple English for real pharmacy situations. Let's get started.
Leo, I don't feel very well today.
I'm sorry to hear that. What's wrong?
I have a headache, and my throat hurts a little.
Do you have a fever?
I'm not sure. I feel a little warm, but I don't have a thermometer here.
Maybe we should buy one.
That would help. I want to check my temperature.
Did you sleep well last night?
Not really. I woke up a few times.
That may be why you feel tired.
Maybe. But my throat started hurting this morning.
Do you have a cough?
A small one. It is not too bad.
Do you have a runny nose?
A little. I also feel dry in my throat.
Maybe it is just a cold.
I hope so. I don't want it to get worse.
We can go to the pharmacy and ask for help.
That sounds better than guessing.
The pharmacist can help us choose the right medicine.
Pharmacist means the person who works with medicine, right?
Yes, a pharmacist can explain medicine and how to use it.
I don't want anything too strong.
We can tell them that. We can ask for something simple.
Do you think I should see a doctor?
If you feel worse, yes. But first, we can ask the pharmacist what they recommend.
That sounds reasonable.
Let's write down your symptoms so I don't forget.
Headache, sore throat, small cough, and runny nose.
Do you have stomach pain?
No, my stomach feels fine.
Any allergies to medicine?
Not that I know of.
That is important. They may ask about allergies.
What should I say if they ask?
You can say, I don't have any known allergies.
That sounds useful.
Do you want to come with me to the pharmacy?
Yes, I can walk, but slowly.
Take your time. We are not in a hurry.
Can we also buy cough drops?
Of course. Cough drops can help your throat feel better.
And maybe some tissues.
Yes. Tissues, cough drops, a thermometer, and medicine.
That is a lot for one small cold.
A small cold needs a small shopping list.
You make it sound organized.
I am trying. Let's get your jacket.
Okay, let's go to the pharmacy.
Hello. Could you help us, please?
Of course. What seems to be the problem?
My friend is not feeling well.
What symptoms does she have?
She has a headache and a sore throat.
Does she have a cough?
Yes, but it is a small cough.
Does she have a fever?
We are not sure. We want to buy a thermometer.
That is a good idea. Has she checked her temperature today?
No, she hasn't.
Does she have a runny nose?
Yes, a little.
How long has she felt this way?
The sore throat started this morning. She felt tired last night.
Does she have any stomach pain?
No, she doesn't.
Does she have any known allergies to medicine?
No, she doesn't have any known allergies.
Thank you. That helps.
We are looking for something simple.
For a headache and sore throat, we can look at pain relief medicine.
Pain relief medicine means medicine for pain?
Yes, it can help with a headache or throat pain.
Is it for adults?
Yes, this one is for adults.
How do we know how much to take?
You should follow the directions on the label.
The label is the information on the box, right?
That's right. It tells you how much to take and how often to take it.
Can you show me where that information is?
Yes. Here, this part says the dose.
Dose means the amount of medicine.
Exactly. The dose is how much medicine to take.
And how often means how many times a day?
Yes. For example, every few hours or a certain number of times a day.
I see. Should she take it with food?
For many medicines, taking them with food can be easier on the stomach, but always check the label.
That is useful to know.
Also, she should drink plenty of water and rest.
We can do that.
If she has a high fever, trouble breathing, or feels worse, she should see a doctor.
That makes sense. We will watch her symptoms.
Good. Would you also like something for her sore throat?
Yes, she asked about cough drops.
Cough drops are in aisle 3.
Aisle 3. Thank you.
You're welcome. You can also look for throat spray, but cough drops are usually simple.
We'll start with cough drops.
That sounds fine.
Could you also show us where the thermometers are?
Yes, they are near the first aid section.
First aid section means the area with basic health items?
Exactly. Things like bandages, thermometers, and small medical supplies.
Thank you. That is very helpful.
You're welcome. Let me know if you have more questions.
Emma, the pharmacist said this medicine may help with a headache and throat pain.
Is it strong?
It looks like regular pain relief medicine for adults.
I want to understand the label before we buy it.
That is smart. Let's read it together.
Where is the dose?
Here, this part shows how much to take.
The writing is small.
Medicine labels often have small writing.
That is not helpful when you already have a headache.
True. I can read it for you.
Thanks. Does it say take with food?
It says to read all directions before use.
That means we should not guess.
Exactly. We follow the label.
Does it say anything about side effects?
Yes, there is a warning section.
Side effects means problems the medicine may cause, right?
Yes, like feeling sleepy, upset stomach, or other reactions.
I don't want to take something that makes me too sleepy.
Then we should ask the pharmacist before buying it.
Please ask her. I don't want to misunderstand the label.
That is a good idea.
Excuse me. I have another question.
Of course. What would you like to know?
Can this medicine make someone sleepy?
This one usually does not make people sleepy, but everyone can react differently.
So we should still be careful?
Yes, read the label and follow the directions.
Should she avoid taking more than the recommended dose?
Yes, do not take more than the recommended dose.
Recommended dose means the amount the label says is safe?
Yes, that's right.
Can she take this with other cold medicine?
She should be careful. Some medicines have the same ingredients.
Ingredients means what is inside the medicine?
Exactly. Taking the same ingredient twice can be unsafe.
That is important.
If she is already taking any other medicine, she should tell a pharmacist or doctor first.
She is not taking other medicine right now.
Then this may be okay, but still follow the label.
Thank you for explaining.
You're welcome.
Emma, the pharmacist said it usually does not make people sleepy.
That helps.
But we still need to follow the label carefully.
And not take more than the recommended dose.
Right.
I feel better about buying it now.
Let's put it in the basket.
Okay, now let's find cough drops.
The pharmacist said cough drops are in aisle 3.
Let's go this way.
Here is aisle 3.
I see many kinds of cough drops.
Do you want honey flavor or lemon flavor?
Lemon sounds nice.
This bag says it is for sore throat.
That should help.
Do you want sugar-free ones?
No, regular ones are fine.
Then let's get this lemon bag.
Thank you.
Now we need tissues.
The tissues are probably near the cold medicine.
Here they are.
Let's get one small box.
A small box is easier to carry.
Do we need a thermometer?
Yes. The pharmacist said they are near the first aid section.
First aid section is for basic health items, right?
Yes. Bandages, thermometers, and things like that.
Here are the thermometers.
There are digital thermometers and ear thermometers.
Which one is simpler?
This digital thermometer looks simple.
Does it need batteries?
It says battery included.
That is convenient.
Let's buy this one.
Do we need bandages?
Do you have a cut?
No, but we don't have any at home.
It is useful to have them.
Let's get a small box.
Here is a small box of bandages.
This pharmacy has everything.
That is why pharmacies are useful.
They are not just for medicine.
Right. They also sell health items and basic supplies.
What do we have now?
Pain relief medicine, cough drops, tissues, a thermometer, and bandages.
That should be enough.
Do you want water?
Can we buy a bottle here?
Yes, there is water near the checkout.
That would be helpful. My throat feels dry.
Let's get one bottle of water.
Thank you for helping me.
Of course. You would do the same for me.
I would, but I would also tell you not to touch the minibar.
That lesson will stay with me.
Let's pay before I get more tired.
Good idea. Let's go to the counter.
Hi. We'd like to pay for these items.
Of course. Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, we did. Thank you for your help earlier.
You're welcome. Let me scan these for you.
We have medicine, cough drops, tissues, a thermometer, bandages, and water.
That looks right.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can pay by card.
Do I tap the card here?
Yes. Please tap it on the card reader.
Okay. It says approved.
Your payment went through.
Could I have a receipt, please?
Of course. Here's your receipt.
Thank you.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please. We have several small items.
No problem.
Is there anything important we should remember about the medicine?
Yes. Read the label carefully before using it.
We will.
Do not take more than the recommended dose.
That is clear.
Drink plenty of water and get some rest.
I'll remind her.
If she gets worse or has a high fever, she should see a doctor.
We understand.
I hope she feels better soon.
Thank you. That is kind of you.
You're welcome. Take care.
Have a nice day.
You too.
That went well.
Yes, we got everything we needed.
You asked good questions at the counter.
I wanted to make sure we understood the medicine.
The pharmacist was very helpful.
She explained everything clearly.
I liked that she said to read the label carefully.
Yes, medicine is not something we should guess about.
Exactly.
How are you feeling now?
Still tired, but I feel less worried.
That is a good start.
Let's go home and check my temperature.
Then we can read the medicine instructions slowly.
And I can rest.
That is the most important part.
We're home. I'm glad we went to the pharmacy.
Me too. Let's check your temperature first.
Okay, how do we use the thermometer?
Let me read the instructions.
Instructions means the steps that tell us how to use something, right?
Exactly. It says to press the button and wait for the beep.
That sounds simple.
Here, try it.
Okay, now we wait?
Yes. Wait until it beeps.
It beeped.
Your temperature is a little high, but not too high.
Oh, that explains why I feel warm.
Let's keep checking it later.
Now, let's read the medicine label.
The label says to read all directions before use.
We are doing that.
It also says not to take more than the recommended dose.
The pharmacist said that too.
Yes, it also says we should be careful.
Does it say take with food?
It says taking it with food may help if your stomach feels sensitive.
Then I should eat something small first.
That sounds safe.
Maybe soup or toast.
Soup would be good for your throat.
What about the cough drops?
The bag says they are for a sore throat and cough.
I can use one after I eat.
And drink water.
The pharmacist said to drink plenty of water.
Plenty of water means a good amount of water.
I know, but I need the reminder.
I will remind you gently.
Thank you.
You should also rest.
That part sounds easy.
No phone for a while?
Maybe just a little phone.
Rest means real rest.
Fine. I'll put my phone away after I text my mom.
That seems fair.
What should I do if I feel worse later?
If you feel worse, have a high fever, or have trouble breathing, we should call a doctor.
That makes sense.
The pharmacist said the same thing.
I feel better knowing what to watch for.
That is why asking questions helps.
Today I learned a lot of pharmacy English.
We talked about symptoms.
We asked the pharmacist for help.
We learned about dose, label, side effects, and ingredients.
We bought cough drops, tissues, a thermometer, and bandages.
And we paid at the counter.
A full pharmacy trip.
Exactly.
If you enjoyed this conversation, you can like and follow.
We'll see you in the next real life English video.
See you next time.
See you next time.